Water is the fundamental source of life, and we all want to be sure we are drinking the best water possible. Mitte created the world's first smart water system that delivers you safe and healthy water. Inspired by nature, Mitte reproduces the natural water cycle through evaporation, condensation, and mineralization. Mitte brings you healthy water directly in your kitchen. Healthy water is two things: clean, purified water and enhanced with minerals. Mitte gets rid of everything bad and puts a lot of good in it. Mitte has been designed and tested, going through 1,000 hours of 3D printing, 4 working prototypes, just to arrive at the final model and to make sure that you get the healthiest water. Mitte's proprietary purification technology first removes all the contaminants like bacteria and viruses, even hormones and nitrates. Water from Mitte is 60 times cleaner than from a pitcher filter and 3 times cleaner than a reverse osmosis system. After purification, the water is enhanced through a mineral cartridge. You can personalize the water you want to drink. Soft with low minerals, crisp, high mineral water, and alkaline with high pH. The result is always a perfectly balanced mineralized water of your choice. Maybe you're like Anna, and she wants what's best for her children. Mitte helps her give her kids the healthiest and safest water. She also cares about the environment, and Mitte allows her to get rid of all plastic bottles. Or like Catherine, who cares deeply about her health and well-being, she's obsessed with tea. And with Mitte, she's sure it will always be the perfect temperature. Or maybe you feel more like Philip, who is passionate about his performance. The minerals and nutrients in the water from Mitte will help him with his diet and his training. Whew. He's also a technology enthusiast. With an app that tracks and monitors the water quality and automatically sends new cartridges whenever you need them. This is what Mitte offers: the right healthy water for you. Designed and engineered here in Berlin, Germany, Mitte is ready to give you access to healthy water the way it's meant to be.
I'm Moritz, the CEO of Mitte. I'm part of this fantastic team from 13 different countries. We came together for one simple goal: to improve lives with healthy water. Support us on Kickstarter today and be the first to get this beautiful machine at home. Together, we can change water worldwide.